TV.
Jodolo mar din jokopere Anthony Muheria wachone riwruok mar jodolo makopere oikore matwa kanyakla gi lakteche kod sirkal mar tieko ng'anyo mar lakteche madhi nyime. Noloso bang' dialo nyasi mar Pasaka e kanisa mar Our Lady of Consolata Cathedral kama omede ni ng'anyo mar jochiw thieth osekelo pek ne jotuo kendo winjore chunge kapod imanyo yor winjo ywak laktechego.
Doctors, we are pleading with you. Please consider human life to which you are sworn in. I am sure there can be a formula where the lives in our hospitals are not put in danger while we continue negotiations. There can be a way. Government and those who are concerned in these negotiations, please find a formula while you look at the final solution. The Catholic Church, the bishops of Kenya are willing to help find this solution. But please, let us not use a currency of human life for whatever good cause you have. It is not worth losing a life. May we see our hospitals back functioning. May we see our doctors attending to our sick. And we listen to them. Yes, we will. But let us not put the life of our mothers, of our fathers, brothers and sisters at stake. This goes to the doctors, this goes to the government, this goes to all the union members who are negotiating. Let us not use human life as a negotiating currency.
Jotenda Azimio Kalonzo